Hi! It's been 40 minutes and I went and got the transformations from the 40-degree incubator, and they look pretty much the same. So now I'm going to spin it down for a few minutes. And then we're going to plate those onto some blue minus plates because they have the gene for blue plus, so it's a selection marker. And then we're going to let it grow for 5 days, which probably is longer than when the class starts. So after that, there'll be colonies like this. Which is good. Oh no, these are my... I don't know what these are. That was entertaining while I was studying. Okay. So anyways, they'll grow these big pink colonies, and then you'll put them into, well, you have to inoculate it into into luminous media, and then grow it for a few days, and then you'll isolate the DNA, and then electroporate that back into bacteria so that you can plate and get a single copy, because the yeast isn't, when there's a single colony, it's not a single copy, which is different in bacteria. So then in the bacteria you'll have a single copy, and then you'll do a digest to see if the cloning works, see if it's correct, which hopefully it will be. I did it for the 3 others, and they all look correct, so fingers crossed, so we can stop it. Here we are. So, I don't know. Usually, I think you're supposed to, there's a mill in here, so you're supposed to plate something. You don't want a whole mill to be on the plate, so I'm just going to take out 500 microliters, and then loose suspend the cells, and then plate it onto the blue minus plates. You have to get rid of the whole thing, I guess, and then resuspend in just water, because that's the whole thing, acetate polyethylene glycol mixture. I was wondering why they wanted us to take it out.
Did you suspend them at all?
No.
Okay, so we don't have to spin again.
I tried and it wouldn't go, and that's when I figured it out. Okay, now we'll put 300 mils or 500 mils of water back in. I'm gonna do 400. That doesn't really matter. Okay. suckers that have been autoclaved. Spread the yeast. And voila! Put them in 30 degrees. So if you, I guess the exciting thing is if the recombination happens, it's the only way that they'll grow, because they'll recombine and make the circular plasmid and express the Lu gene. So the recombination in the yeast just happens when you're incubating it at 40 degrees or 42 degrees for the 40 minutes. So hopefully the homologous recombination occurred with, I didn't mention that on the PCR, they have homologous regions to the vector, which is how the homologous recombination happens, and in yeast they just have mechanisms that they do all the time. So then me putting my DNA in there, they'll make sure the recombination happens and grow on these plates. So in 5 days I will extract the DNA and see if it's correct, and then use the plasmid by